Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I thought you'd like to see a few completions that I've done. Yeah, I've been cracking on with my little things for Christmas presents and Christmas decorations and my emotional support pickle. They all do need sealing, so that's going to be this afternoon's task, get all these little things sealed. But I just thought you'd like to see the completions, and I did promise I have done the music box, so we are going to do the music box as well, put all that together. But yeah, look at these, what a lot of sparkle. So these are 5 of the little notebooks, little notepads that I've done with all the little squares of paper in. So that's the little Westie, which is gorgeous. The colours on them and the sparkle are wonderful. And then the little flowers. Might be nice if they'd have put white in some of them, but I suppose the cream goes more with the brown maybe. But I suppose if you're just writing a little note, it doesn't matter, does it? And then the owl, that is spectacular. That is gorgeous. Yeah, I am going to struggle to give these away, I have to say. Well, I'm not giving them away, I'm gifting them. And then the little baby tiger. Look at the greens, the jady green and the lime green on that. Ah, super. Love that. And then our pandas with all the pinks, all the hot pinks. Yay! So that's those done. And then the little card wallet with the flowers on the front is done. So that one's all ready to go. And then the little box with the shells on. Oops, got it upside down, look. So yeah, and it's got the sticky pad in the back to put on the back. Not quite sure where I'm going to put this, and I don't think I'll use that. And then I finished the butterfly from the Kado electric pen that we got free. That's really pretty as well. And then this butterfly little bag is all done. Just really quick and easy little projects to do. You can soon fly through quite a few in an evening. And yeah, I've really enjoyed doing them. This one I didn't enjoy doing, as you can probably see. There are gems missing, and that's because there's hardly any stickiness on this. I'm going to have to get my glue out, my magic glue from Craft Buddy. I noticed Diamond Dots do one that has a little tube now as well with a sponge on it. So I might have to get that one. That one's on Amazon. Might give that one a go. But basically they're like, well, they're like the sticky that comes on your canvases and on your projects, which means when it sort of like cures, it's still sticky and it stays sticky. The only trouble with using it is that you've got to then use a sealer over the top of it because it is exceptionally sticky. And yeah, you will feel it. But yeah, all these gems just keep falling off, look, because they're just not securing. I suppose I could just use the sealer, but that's disappointing. I've also got a little notebook that I got, and that one, just the gems are just not sticking to it. There's glue on it, you can feel the tacky on it, but it's just not strong enough to keep the gems there. So I have actually just this morning put some magic glue over the top of that, and I'll have a go at doing that later. I've done my teapot, which I love. Look at that, sparkle, sparkle. So once I've sealed that, I'll get the cover sheets off the back and everything. But yeah, I love the holly leaves at the top there. I love these AB crystals, and we've got a star. And I like the colour of the trees as well. They've done like a pale jady green rather than like the winter green. So it's very different. It's not a real in-your-face Christmas red and green. A little bit more subtle colours on it. And then the little snowflake star thing, star rounds at the bottom. Really, really pretty. And this, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Look at that. And yeah, I may just have actually gone and ordered another 2 of these. What am I like? I know, but I want them, I'm going to put some big red ribbons on them. and I'm going to hang them as a set of 3 dangling down. So you've got one here and one sort of here as like a set. So fingers crossed, because we are looking at TEMU, that I've reordered another 2 and that the next 2 that come are actually the same. Maybe I should have ordered 3. I don't know. Oh, that's annoying. Can you just see through those gold gems there? Look, I can see the number through those gems. I can't be doing with that. Oh, they must be really translucent. Maybe it's just me, but I feel as though I can see the number through there. Okay, and they've just moved slightly, and look, that's just in the time that I've had them sat waiting. So yeah, these are all going to be sealed. Yes. Oh, wonderful. But I just love the colours on that. Those greens with the iridescent coating with that red, it's just superb. I'm a very traditional, a red, gold and green Christmassy girl. Right, let me just move my little mat there. I've still not got it stuck on my desk. Shove those up there. And let's have a look at this. Look how cute this is as well. I love the colourway on this. The little stars, and it's just so coy. It's just, oh, hello. With his big watery eyes. He's so sweet. I love him. So, let's have a go at building a clock. Clock. Let's have a go. Oh, my pickles just jumped off the desk. That doesn't say a lot, does it, when your emotional support pickle decides to jump off your desk and disappear? Anyway, I found him straight away. Still not found that piece of Lego. My friends can't find it either. So all I can think is that it's jumped and it's gone in one of the boxes. I've got like little boxes with paperwork and things down the side of me, and it must have gone in one of those, because otherwise it would have just shown up. It can't just disappear into thin air. Much as it appears to have done so. Now then, as I say, there is no instructions for this, but we did sort of get the idea as to where it would go and how it would fit together. I do like bendy wood. It just fascinates me. It's just so clever. A piece of wood, just by cutting it, you can make it bendy. I'm easily pleased. Right, so, oh, I suppose really we ought to put this on first. And I've kept the 2 little screws, look, they are still here. Now I need a screwdriver. Oh gosh, let me find a screwdriver. Okay, we've got a screwdriver. Da, da, da. Not the dinky little doodah one, it's a little bit bigger one. Right, so this is going to have to go so that that is on the edge there. We haven't really got a choice on that, I suppose. No, it's not going to go. Oh, no, it's not going to go that way, is it? It's got to go. Oh, I suppose it could go that way. Oh. No, we don't want it there, do we? No, it definitely needs to go. Oh, it needs to go in between the stanchions. Where's that? Where's the one with the gap in? Mind the gap. I don't want to get this wrong because I don't want to have to take it apart. So if it's fastened there. Oh, heck. Just hold that there. Oh, right. Aha, that makes sense. Yes, we've got 2, look, with the little things in. So it does meet in the middle there. I was thinking we're not going to be able to do that because it needs to go there. Right, so I think we found the place where it goes. So let's get this screwed into place. Whoa, that took a bit of the old grey matter there to get that one working. But we get there in the end. It is just a little bit trial and error, and I hope this helps then if you get one. you'll be able to see where it goes. I won't tighten it too much just in case. At least the holes are pre-drilled. Let's get that one in there. Oops, oh, should have got one of my magnetic screwdrivers. Makes things a lot easier. Oh, look now, come on, don't play me up. Where's the hole gone? Come back. There it is. There it is. Come on. Oh. Let's put it down, that might be easier, Liz. More fingers and thumbs this morning. All right, is that going through? Yes. Oh, actually, you don't want to put them too far down, otherwise they're going to be sticking out on the back, aren't they? Oh, that one's quite tight. I hope I've got this in the right place. Oh, yeah. It looks like they've done them just long enough to secure it in, but not stick out on the back. So that's quite clever. Quite like that idea. That's well thought out. We don't want that happening, do we? Right, so these need to go there. Okay, fasten that in there. And then it comes round the corner. Oh. Is it just me that likes bendy wood? It fascinates me. How something solid that you just think would never bend can be made to be bendy. So I'm easily pleased. All right, a little bit tricky, I have to say, getting that in there. But you have got to put the little music box on first. Right, that's that one in. Okay, otherwise you're not going to have it secured in between. Right, and that one needs to go there, so they just join together there. Push that one into there. Oh, look at this. Haha. Oops, go on, get in, get in. Don't want to break them. Just a second. That one's in. And push you up there and push you up there. With it being dark wood, I can't see the dark on the dark. It's a little bit difficult for me to line up because I can't see where it's going. Hang on. Needs to push up that way a bit more. That's it. Oh, that one's gone a bit wonky, but never mind, that's okay. At least they're in, and our little thing goes round. Yes. Okay. Oh dear, Millie, what's the matter? Are you having a whinge at me? Oh dear, I don't know whether you can hear Hound of the Baskervilles in the distance. She is now wanting to go into the downstairs cloakroom where there is a water bowl. Not that there isn't two full water bowls that are fresh in the kitchen, but no, she wants the one that's in the downstairs cloakroom because I'm busy, and she wants to just let me know that she wants to make herself known. Okay, we just need to get that one in there. So they're all now fastened in. Oh, love this, love this. Hey. And then we just need to put this on the top. And this can actually end up being one of the trickier bits to do. You've got to make sure it's all lined up. Make sure that goes in there. And that one goes in there. Once you get a couple in, they tend to be okay, but it's just getting it all lined up properly. There you are. There's the little box. Oh, that's really cute. I haven't sealed the owl yet, so I'm not going to put him on top just yet. But then he will just go on top and we'll just... And that's all I'm going to do with that. But yeah, so wow. Oh, little music box. That's a gorgeous little gift for somebody. And it's quite nice looking as well, you know, it's not... I think for the price of it, it's amazing. Actually, the way that the wood's gone, it's quite a reasonable pattern because it's the same on every single one. So I wonder if that's deliberate, the way they've done that with the little partition bits. You can see, yeah, every one has just got more or less the same spaces. Oh, but yeah, I love that. So really, really pleased. And that's one made and about 3 million to go. So once I've got some more done, I will get them. I will come up back on camera and show you the completions, and I will show you them all made up. But yeah, I love this. Sounds like an ice cream van. Food again. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing these completions. Obviously, I have got all the gems to kit down, which we'll maybe do in another video, and I will get them sealed. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see me doing the sealing as well, just putting the sealer over the top of them. I have just recently done quite a long video on sealing, so I didn't really want to do that again as well. But if you do want to see that, let me know in the comments and I can do that. It's not a problem. I'm going to be doing it anyway, so I might as well film it. Okay, well, any comments or questions in the comments down below. If you've enjoyed looking at these, then a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Let me know which one's your favourite. And if you want to join our little family, see some more completed, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.